Yeah, 114.
And the name?
It's Daryl.
Last name.
Cheapest one.
Get the smallest one.
This is the smallest one. This is good? Yeah. I'll get this.
What about that one?
Yeah, I'll get this one.
Smallest one.
You don't have it.
Huh?
You don't have it.
What? These are so good. We're getting two?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. They're so good. Gotta make sure. It's intact.
Good?
Yeah.
Intact?
Intact.
Perfect. Yeah, so we can make the yogurt barks.
Okay.
Get one.
Excited. How many do you want? One or two?
We'll just get one.
Which one's the good one? This one, right? No, it's this one.
Same thing.
This one.
Okay.
You want one too?
No. Where are you hiding it? Right there. Where you can see it.
Over here?
Right here.
My favorite. This one right here.
콘치.
Mm-hmm.
콘치.
Crunchy.
No, they're so expensive. $5, $5.50 for one bag? No.
Do you want to get like the spicy Chinese hot
You feeling hot pot today?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good then.
Right here.
Ow.
This one.
The original? Oh, the
This one.
what's it called?
Or do you
Brown
want the
sugar.
original?
Oh no, we can get that one.
I think we have one.
$32.99.